today's class. It's a new chapter, chapter 9, arithmetic and geometric progression. The first we are going to see the full detail about arithmetic progression. First 3x is based on the AP, second remaining 2x is based on the GP. Now we are going to see the AP. Listen now, arithmetic progression. The short form is capital A dot P. Listen. Here in arithmetic progression we have a certain kind of series. That kind is listen A1, A2, A3 etc. This is the general form of series. In this series A1 is the initial value or first term. So what is the first term? How we call this? This is the simplest form of A. Small a na, that is the meaning of first term. The A2 na second term, A3 na third term. Listen, here the finding common difference. We need to find the common difference in AP. For finding common difference, D. Here D is represent the meaning of common difference. So how we find D? A2 minus A1. That means second term minus first term or third term minus second term, like this. Next finding terms. We need to find the terms. Terms na series. Next term. The general form for finding the terms, first A na initial value plus A plus B, initial value plus common difference plus A plus 2D, like this. A plus 3, A plus 2D, A plus 3D etc. up to we needed terms. Next this is exercise 9.1. First question. Listen the first question. Find the following APs. Write the first term A and the common difference D. So listen, in this question they given the series. Using that series we need to find initial value A and common difference D. Already we saw the introduction class. So listen, what series they given? 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3 is the given series. So using this series we need to find A. How we find A? The first value is the first term. So A3 is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. So what is the first term? A equal to 3 arm. Next we need to find the difference. How we find the difference? Listen, A2 minus A1. This is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. How we find value A2 minus A1? Now what is A2? 1. So 1 in formula we have minus and 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Listen, the first term alone we can't find D because maybe second term will differ or maybe third term will differ. So you need to find at least first two terms. The first two na A2 minus A1 minus 2 are. Next A3 minus A2. What is A3? Minus 1 na. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Next term minus 3 are. Minus 3 minus of minus 1 is minus 2. So what is the first term? A is 3. What is the difference? D is equal to all the difference we have minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. See the second sum. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 etc. What is the first term? 1 by 3. Next how we find D? A2 minus A1. Now what is A2? 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 5 minus 1, 4 by 3. Next term 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3, 4 by 3. Next term 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3, 4 by 3. That's all. What is the first term? A equal to 1 by 3. What is the common difference? D equal to 4 by 3. Next come to the second sum. Write first 4 terms of the AP. So we need to find first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are given as follows. So listen. In this question, they given first question, they given series, we need to find A and B. In the second question, they given AD, we need to frame a series. How we frame the series? Listen, A value is 10, D is equal to 10. We need to find first 4 terms. So finding the terms we have for lots of formula. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. We are not supposed to do etc. because they asked to find only 4 values. Here the A first term is the first value. This is second value, third value, fourth value. So you need to stop up to the fourth term. Should not write etc. Next what is A value? 10. Next 10 plus what is D value? 10 now. Next 10 plus 2 into 10. Then 10 plus 3 into 10. So simplification 10, 10 plus 10 20. 2 plus 10 20 or 20 plus 10 30. 3 into 10 30 plus 10 40. So the first 4 terms 10, 20, 40, 30. I hope you all understand this. Next, the same question, see the fourth subdivision. A equal to 1 by 2, D equal to minus 1 by 6. What's the first term? We need to find first time as usual the previous sum. So A comma, A plus D comma, A plus 2D comma, A plus 3D. What is A? 1 by 2. What is A plus D? 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6. Plus what is A plus 2D? 1 by 2 plus 2 into minus 1 by 6, comma, what is A plus 3D? 1 by 2 plus 3 into minus 1 by 6. Do the simplification, you will be getting the term. You need to take a LCM everything. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6 and 0. Simplification you will be doing. So listen, first 4 terms 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 0. I hope you understand this. Next come to the third question, ma. Listen, actually third question is the very simplest question. It's like 1 mark question. So listen, which of the following list of numbers from an AP? So they given 10 subdivision. In this 10 subdivision, they asked to find what are all the sums of the AP. How we find the AP? D, A is the first value. If D difference, all the difference is common, then that series is the AP series. If difference is not common, that is not a AP series. ஸோ இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்க கொஸ்டினில் ஏபி சீரியஸ் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஈக்குவலாக வந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த இடத்துல நீ ஏபின்னு எழுதிடலாம், இல்லைன்னா நோன் எழுதிடலாம். இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா ஏபியா இல்லையான்னு ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஏபியா இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதோட நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 3 டேர்ம்ஸ் என்னன்னு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ லிசன் ஹியர் ஒன் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 9th sum I will do, remaining you all do by yourself. So listen 9th sum. In this question, first step we need to find whether that series given series is AP or not. How we find AP? So listen, A comma 2A comma 3A comma 4A. So this series, what is A? A equal to A only, first term. Next, how we find difference? 2A minus A equal to A. Next, 3A minus 2A equal to A. So what is the difference? D is equal to A. Next, so now we found A value and D value. We need to check whether it's AP or not. Whether it's AP? Yes, it's AP because the both the term we have the same difference. So this is AP. Next, if it is AP, we need to find next 3 terms. Now we find the next 3 terms. Listen. Here this term will end with 4A. So 4A kaduthathu remaining next 3 nam find out pannu. How we find? Listen. 4A after A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Here the last term is the first value. 4A is A. So 4A comma 4A plus A comma 4A plus 2A comma 4A plus 3A. So 4A comma 5A comma 6A comma 7A. This is the next 3 terms of this series. So students, I hope you all understand this exercise. So this class fully completed the first exercise. So next video we will see the second exercise. Do the homework properly. Thank you.